Morning! We're now at Milford Sound.
Yes.
So we woke up really early today before sunrise, at I think around 7 a.m.
Yeah, then we had a really long 2-hour drive down. Yeah, lots of winding turns, a lot of roadworks along the way.
Yes, and a lot of snow.
Yes, not bad. Along the traffic stop, we even got to see the Alpine parrots, the Kia. They were super daring. They came right up to our car, landed on the side mirror. Yeah, on the side mirror while my window was down.
Yeah, I immediately moved it back up.
Well, that was really nice. Yeah.
Yes, it was. And now we're finally at Milford Sound.
Yeah, so we're gonna be heading on a 2-hour cruise.
Yes.
Just to go around the lake and the fjord.
Yep.
Yeah, taking a look at the waterfalls and everything. Hopefully we get to see some wildlife.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know like they have like dolphins, seals, penguins. So hopefully we get to see some of that.
My main reason for stopping is the little fur seals sleeping on the rocks. So they differ from most seals. Most seals have internal ears and their flippers are only good for swimming, not climbing. Above the snow belt, I can't find a beach, a mile above it.
Hiding in the shelter from the wind. Nick is making some tea.
See another fur seal sleeping on the rocks.
Oh, seals! Okay, gotta go.
At least two will come along. Within a week or so of giving birth, the females are pregnant again.
Wonder what he's looking at. We just saw dolphins!
You got the engine out of gear with partly crispy long.
Can't really see, but oh my god. Where? What are we looking at? Are they coming? Oh! Following the dolphin.
We get up to 4 meters of length, weighs 700 kilograms.
Dolphin.
Bigger than other bottlenose, goes through in a colder climate.
Oh my god, they were so close!
super cute. And we can hear the sounds. Yeah.
Oh, you're just right above them. And they were just swimming right under the boat.
Yeah.
And the guide said you only like get to see it once a week.
So we're super lucky.
Yeah, we're so lucky. Oh my god, so happy. We're going to the big waterfall now.
Yes.
So hopefully we don't get drenched or we don't take a shower.
Goes along to the other side of the waterfall.
Nick, staying strong. Oh God bless. That is crazy. What the? Warming up.
Trying very hard to stay warm.
Nick can't get over his dolphin encounter. He just keeps rewatching it.
Oh my god, it was amazing.
So we're off the cruise. We're gonna head back to our car to get some snacks. Then afterwards, in the afternoon, we're gonna go for the Marian Lake hike, which is gonna be 3 hours.
Round trip, but flat ground this time. So I hope that we'll have an easier time just taking a stroll. Have a cover, please. Are you okay?
Yeah. The weather's really good today. I think we've been blessed. Okay, we're heading to our Marian Lake track now, and we decided to stop by this place called the Monkey Creek.
Yeah, we got a really nice view of the valley behind us.
Yeah.
Really nice.
The snow is so soft and white.
Alright, we're gonna start our Lake Marian hike. It's gonna be a 3-hour return. And it begins with this epic bridge actually. Maximum load 10%.
We're 30 minutes into the hike, but based on Google Maps, it seems like we've got a long way to go to the lake. I think we're about midway to the Lake Marian. The terrain is really rocky, and it doesn't seem to be like a man-made path. It's all natural. We had to like parkour a bit.
Keep going.
Yeah, we're on the right track.
Yeah, I think so. Hey guys. Yeah, my hair's drenched from sweat. Yeah. So now it's about 5 o'clock. We've been walking on this trail for about an hour and a half. We just passed by some hikers and they mentioned that like from where we were, it's gonna be about at least another 40 to 45 minutes back up to the Lake Marian. Yeah, and I think realistically it's a bit too difficult because even though we brought headlamps, the roads are actually quite untaken care of. Even the path behind, we've got to climb this massive hill up. And I think it's just something that we shouldn't be doing in the dark. It's quite unfortunate, but I think we're gonna just stop here. It's gonna be another an hour and a half as well, and it'll probably be dark by then.
Yeah.
It's been overtaken by nature. So I guess Ada's trying to figure out her way around the blockage. Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Hold on to the branch that's on your left. Yeah, this one, hold on to it.
I'm stepping on it.
Yeah, but hold on to it on your way down.
Hold on to it.
Yeah. Hold on, right hand, yeah. Careful, stay low. Yeah, and you passed it. Oh, this is definitely one of the worst sections we've faced so far. Look at that orange marker right through the forest. Please don't step on that, please go around it, yes. Oh my gosh, taking risks. Yeah, sail across, come on. Maybe it's just because people haven't been here for a while because of COVID.
I doubt that. Wow.
I'm wearing it wrong,
I'm not wearing it.
You should wear it. Tighten it up. You need to tighten it. Careful, please. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Anything wrong?
No.
Okay.
I just almost tripped. Look at our trusty Decathlon headlamps.
Without the light, it is completely dark. Yeah, we are almost there. I can hear the waterfall. Super close to where we want to go. So that's great. Look at the view even at night. But it's really dark out. Yeah, there's an arrow here. Keep going. We finally made it across. Yeah, to the end of the trail. We're here. How's it feel? Seeing our car again? Hopefully it's still here. It's still here!
We're back in the car.
It's about 6:20 now. It's completely dark right now. No cars are around.
We're gonna head back and rest up.
That's it for tonight.
Yep, that's it for tonight.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye!